All right, why is this Algernon vacuum flying off the shelves on Amazon? Why is everyone buying it? So it's because it's an amazing vacuum for an amazing value. This thing works. So this is the main piece. This can be shorter or longer. I'm just gonna pick some stuff up with it really quick. Press the power button to turn it on. Press this button to make the speed higher. And then you're just gonna run it around. Now it's clean back here. So I'm not really gonna pick up much, but it's picking some stuff up. It is picking some stuff up. And let me just come up here. You can see, you should be able to see there's stuff in there. So you hardly vacuumed at all. It's picking stuff up. So from there, I'm gonna go ahead and dismount this. So I'm gonna take this piece off. You can take this piece off, just set it right here. Then let's shorten this piece and then we'll take this out. Now we'll come over to these pieces. So there's two tiny pieces. Say you want to vacuum the car or get into some hard to reach area. Push that right in. You can vacuum like that. Let's take that one out. Let's just do this one. It's a tiny vacuum. Now you can just pick stuff up. Maybe you want to pick some stuff up on here. You're good to go. So this thing is very high quality. Oh, one last thing. Oh, you know what? One last thing I want to show you is this is the battery. Yeah, I'll just show you both pieces. This is the charger. So to charge the battery, you just plug this into this and plug it into the wall. Keeps it nice and charged. You've also got this. You want to mount this to the wall to hang up the vacuum to store it. You can do that, but this is just a super high quality vacuum and I highly recommend it to you.